This is a really attractive camper van, I think. Westfalia Sven Hedin on an MAN base. It's got a tent in the roof, as you can see. Sven Hedin Premium costs 102,500 euros, and that's 6 meters long, 204 in width, 267 in height. But although with the tent, it's going to take it up to 291. That seems a bit odd, but I'm going to leave it as it says here. 100 litre freshwater tank, wastewater tank 84, one battery 95 amps, and let's come inside. Right, warm water floor heating. You can take the table out, and as you can see, and so that'll be for convenience as you're on the move. Gives the people sitting in that the forward facing bench more space. Here we've got a fridge, and I'll open it up for you. That's what the fridge looks like. Now Westfalia do really nice looking vans, really super attractive inside. So bed up here. Now the Sven Hedin has a pop out. It's had this now for what, 7, 8, yeah, something like that, like maybe even 9. It's been on the first, but that is really clever. Gives you a little bit extra space, not a lot extra, 25 centimeters or so for your feet, and sort of the way it slides down. It's not a slide out, it's a pop out, and you've got a step up there, and they do particularly nice washrooms as well. So toilet, fitted sink, lots of light in here, and very nice. So we have the tent in the roof. Oh dear, I've used the wrong camera for the tent in the roof to give you an idea. So I mean, I think this vehicle's too small to have 4 people sleeping in it. That's my opinion, but others may disagree. But that gives you a view. You've got the tent, you can see what's going outside, and there's a ladder somewhere which will fit up there, and that allows you access. As you can see with the table out, the bit of space for the ladder. Let's have a look at the back as well. So as with all camper vans, you know, you can sort of move these bits around. You can see here we've got the Frovi system, should make it a little bit more comfortable. At the back as well, you can see storage here. It says it's a large flexible storage space, and there's safety advice. In case of fire, evacuate all passengers. That's a good idea, actually. I would never have thought of it if they hadn't have put that there. Insulated rear door, and there you can see this clever pop out. Isn't that good? Brilliant. So there you go, Sven Hedin from Westfalia, premium, and at a cost of 102,500 euros.